Let's work through an example of calculating negative slope using a table. Use the table to solve for the slope. First, identify two ordered pairs in the table. One ordered pair is 582. Another ordered pair is 1548. Next, label the x and y values. The first ordered pair is labeled x sub 1, y sub 1. The second ordered pair is labeled x sub 2, y sub 2. Then, substitute the x and y values into the slope formula. The slope formula is the change in y divided by the change in x. Slope equals y sub 2 subtract y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 subtract x sub 1. The slope of this line equals 48 subtract 82 divided by 15 subtract 5. Last, solve for the slope. 48 subtract 82 equals negative 34. 15 subtract 5 equals 10. Negative 34 divided by 10 equals negative 3.4. The slope of this line is negative 3.4. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!